If you're a Geeks on Tour member, you get to ask us questions by going to the Q&A page, also known as the forum, where you get to ask the geeks. First, you must be logged in, so it tells you that you're not logged in here. You'd have to click log in. So that's the first step, be logged in. The second step is to pick the topic that you want. So photos is probably our most popular one, smartphones and tablets, Google Maps, blogs, Facebook, and if it doesn't fit into any of that, then everything else. So let's say you want to ask a question about smartphones and tablets. Then you click Add Topic, and you need to give it a title, and then you type whatever you want in here, and then you submit topic. If you have a screenshot or some other image on your computer, you can add it by clicking on Upload Attachments, Add Files, find what you want to submit, and start upload. When you're done, you click Submit Topic. When we answer your post, we will be answering it here in the Q&A forum, but you will get an email. So when you look at the email will include, right under the topic, it will include a link to get back to that exact spot. Clicking that link will take you back to the Q&A forum and straight to the message. Then once you read it, if you want to reply, it's Add Reply down here. Type what you want and then submit reply. And that's how you use our Q&A forum on geeksontour.com.